Unleash the thrill of performance and precision with the 2025 Aprilia Kit RS 457, a masterpiece of Italian engineering. At the heart of this beast lies a 457cc twin-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 48.6 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 37.2 Newton-meter of torque at 7,000 revolutions per minute. Equipped with a 6-speed gearbox, the RS 457 ensures smooth, precise gear transitions for an exhilarating ride, whether on the track or the road. With a curb weight of just 175 kilograms and a ground clearance of 150 millimeter, the RS 457 combines agility and stability to conquer any terrain. The thoughtfully designed 810 millimeter seat height offers comfort and confidence for riders of all sizes, ensuring every ride is unforgettable. Built for endurance, its 15-liter fuel tank keeps you focused on the road ahead, not the next fuel station. The 2025 Aprilia Kit RS 457, crafted for those who dare to dream and dominate. If you're passionate about motorbikes and want the latest on new models, reviews, and all things motorcycles, subscribe to Rs Communication.